What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another Lunar Classic video. So we are well on our way to creating our own burn community here on the channel. As you know, over the last few days, this channel has been monetized by YouTube and Google. So like I've been saying on the channel, I do plan to burn all of the revenue that I generate from Google AdSense here on this channel directly into the Lunar Classic burn wallet. So you guys can do your part by smashing the like button, hitting the subscribe button, turning on notifications, and watching each and every one of these videos, even twice if you have the time, or just play them in the background. Chuck them on your computer, leave them, play them on the background, let the ads run, and all of that money and revenue that's generated I'm going to use to burn. And I will be showing you guys exactly the process of doing it so you can see the back end and know that I am actually doing that. With that said, in today's video we're going to be going over the updates that you need to know about the market and of course Lunar Classic. And remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. And let's jump straight into it. So first of all, we have this, the V015.21 update has been published on GitHub by TFL. Now validators can upgrade as normal like they have in the past. On the 26th of August, it will become official consensus with TFL support. I believe we'll have majority of validators supporting the update. So remember that we had to have TFL agree with the staking and the 1.2% tax. They've come on board, they've said yes, so it's going to happen on the 26th of August. We are hopefully going to see this, which will be very, very good for the market. And I also really like this tweet here. Oh, the reactions when the governance is restored. To most, it seems like years have passed, but it's 3 months, 3 days today since the crash. It's only been 3 months since the crash. It does seem like so long ago. I lost multiple six figures in that crash with UST particularly, which was just a horrible day. Let me know down in the comment section how much you guys lost in the UST or the Lunar crash. I'm interested to know, because what a horrible day. We are hopefully going to build here on the channel from the ashes and get somewhere in the future with Lunar Classic. With that said, if you guys don't know already, we actually had the US inflation showing 8.5% in July. This is the CPI report, and this is better than expected. So the market was overall expecting 8.7%, which was a reduction since last month, which was 9.1%, but we got better than expected, which is absolutely great. This is the first time that it seems that inflation might actually be peaking, which is awesome for the markets and the cryptocurrency markets. So crypto markets responded favorably after slower than expected reading, which takes pressure off the Federal Reserve to hike rates aggressively at the September meeting. So next month at the next meeting, when we do hear about the rate hikes, hopefully they won't be as high as last time. So US inflation slowed in the last month, possibly strengthening widely held narrative that the worst of consumer price increases is behind the economy. I think that the market will continue to find confidence in the Fed staying on track with its proposed increases to the interest rates at September meeting, and we'll continue to see our relief rally pick up steam in the crypto markets, said Howard Greenberg. Traders are now betting on a 65% chance that the Fed will hike interest rates by 50 basis points in September compared to just 32%. So 32% of traders expected this 50%. Now half the traders expect 50%, which is awesome to see. Last month, we had that 75% basis point hike, which was bad for the market. Now, if this also comes down along with CPI, this could be absolutely great for the markets. Good for the markets and good for the markets here. And of course, good for Terra Classic over here, which we are seeing an increase of 5% today, which is just shy of what the overall market is up today at 6.3%. But we still haven't got that one yet. We are at 0.9 today. The volume, however, is down 37%. This is not so good, right? We need the volume to increase as the price increases. If the volume doesn't increase, the burn tax is actually not going to work anywhere near as favorably as people think. We've talked about this so many times on the channel. Yes, the burn is great. First of all, on chain, the burn's great, but we need the volume to double when the price of Lunar Classic doubles to keep up with the burn that people are expecting to get anywhere near 10 cents, a dollar, any time soon, like a year, 2 years. But we also have the issue that we need the centralized exchanges to put on the burn tax. So yes, it's great that they're putting it on chain. Yes, it's great that TFL have come on board, but so far we don't have any major exchanges coming on board. Binance having the most volume, then FTX, KuCoin, Huobi, Gate.io, Kraken, Bithumb, Bitfinex, all of them need to come on board and implement the 1.2% burn, and we've not seen any of them come on board and say that yet. So I think that the reason why the price isn't really moving right now is because of this. People want to see major exchanges come on board with that burn, because without them, we're essentially not really going to burn any. You guys need to understand the sheer magnitude of 7 trillion coins. That is just, it's a wild amount of coins. Now, in other news, we do have the ETH proof of stake on the testnet has been confirmed, and it was successful. So the Ethereum mainnet merge is next. And if you don't know what the merge is, soon the current Ethereum mainnet will merge with Beacon Chain proof of stake system. This will mark the end of proof of work through Ethereum and a full transition to proof of stake. This sets the stage for future scaling upgrades, including sharding. The merge will reduce Ethereum's energy consumption by 99.95. Now, this is huge news, because right now ETH issued per year today is 4.5 million. ETH issued per year after the merge will be 600,000. And if you guys don't know, EIP 1559 will actually create a negative issuance for Ethereum, potentially creating a reduction in the circulating supply, making it a deflationary coin, which would be absolutely huge for Ethereum. Ethereum is currently the second largest position in my portfolio, so I am very bullish on Ethereum going forward. In other news, we have the DXY continuing to trend downwards, which is normally very good for the market, and we like to see Bitcoin still trading in this range here, and hopefully we do break above this line here around 25,000. This is both this resistance here and this line of support that we wicked down to when we saw the very first crumbling down back a few months ago. Now, if we do break above this, I see the next line maybe around this 28,000, and hopefully we can get some nice long positions going there. If you guys do want to trade, one of my favorite exchanges and the biggest exchange out there is Binance. I highly suggest that everyone has an account on Binance. You can trade your Luna Classic on Binance. You can feel safe that they actually hold the most amount of Bitcoin, even in front of Coinbase. They've been around for years. I've been using them for 5 years, never had a problem. I personally hold a bunch of my crypto on Binance, including my Luna Classic, because I think they're one of the safest exchanges out there. And with all the crap that we've seen with these exchanges recently, you really do want to have at least one exchange that you feel comfortable with. So I personally feel really comfortable with Binance, and I do have a link down there in my description where you guys can get $600 in welcome offers just by following and completing these different reward categories down here in the description. So I would suggest making the best of that situation down there in the description. I also have $10,000 in other exchange bonuses, so absolutely incredible stuff there. And with all of that said, I do hope that I provided you with some value today. I do hope that we see some green for Terra, Luna, Classic going forward. Remember, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, smash on those notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.